Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the action button on your iPhone. So let's get started. Now, first of all, the action button is only available on the iPhone 15 Pro and the 15 Pro Max. This is the action button which replaced the old basically ringer button. It's another small button right above the volume up button. Now, in order for it to stop doing anything or turn it off, by default, it might be on the ringer or another setting. You can actually turn this off by going into your setting, and then from there on, you're going to go to action button. As you can see here, by default, it's the ringer or any of these actions that you select. But if you keep on going all the way to the very last one, there's an option for no action, basically disabling and turning off that action button from doing anything on it. So if I go back now, and this time if I go ahead and click on that, as you can see here, it doesn't do anything. It will just, as you can see here, just makes that animation on it but doesn't really do anything, and that will turn off or disable that action button from accidentally maybe putting your phone on silent mode or off or whatever action you were doing previously. So that's how you turn off the action button on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.